Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Nongñiah jangka Trok ke Star Cement yo belatip kerteng kemuba sailang mi dekar ubala lab advertisements kerta Nongñiah Pulit tersi West Gentihers District udang Rngai hadut menta hadim ke Trok aba unya kala yo samna senyau basu chang bela ka advertisements kerta Nongñiah Lumshnong East Gentihers District hakat pradra ujumang arjar alpusan Wahe shnong jong shnong Lumshnong uba mon lang ladong haka jinya kran ba kunhun lum ko bo jong bati CTV haka khandai truk ujumang arata pausan ulong ba shnong pen paw ge jing si hlo ga jingja bat le thoru baki Pulit kedang pelong ge jing Tohkit halor ga jingja kadba management representative jong Star Cement udivendar bansal ulong ba kum ki bor penya jong karkhana ki bet haki Pulit bakin pelong ge jing Tohkit ka penya halor ga jingja
Jai ini tengah kamu Lumshnong yang kalau Lumshnong monlang lah dong jing itu nin kesni kejanmet kawa jia Star Cement man pendap ini dah kajing selesai ada MOV nak kita Lumshnong yang man driver yang pick up dah cayu hamil truk kit cement yang Star Cement man kawa selesai kamu Lumshnong ni bat ya borok jia kami ni jingjia te ke jingjia lor yang kani te ile dang ya bodden ni kam ka chnong ya bo ke meeting we chong meeting wa ka Star bat kam jo ya ke wa ki Pulit le jing itu kani ka kam le ba kam man ka te betit u driver wa yu ni na wa da yap le dang tho ki Pulit o wa mem bu chem yo do ne ka sni te ikam ke wa dau lai chakmat to yoluti wa ki Pulit le udang pai dang sli ki he kom ke wa to he nang wa na ka por support la ujia kam ni jingjia was now si ta du ni he khadiak nga na le yang to te ki jing klam ke
yeah, myself is a management representative from Star Cement. The incident which happened yesterday was actually the company's truck were there that was operated by some NECPL called. So all the drivers are from the Meghalaya only. They are operating. So in yesterday's incident, I think there was some dispute on the road by some camper driver or this truck driver. Both the truck driver belongs to Klitirshi near Jowai, and camper driver belongs to Lumshnong. So there was some incident happened near Visor, I think. So that camper was chasing to the truck. When it reached to the plant, so there was some gap. So the truck was stopped at gate, and then after that, when it entered, that camper was also in along with the. It came, and then driver came by foot, and then he stood on the front side of the bumper of the truck, and he was putting the hand on the in the that glass front mirror, and I think by the truck driver was also scared or don't know what was there inside, and there was some incident happened. He fell down, and then truck was already in movement. So that incident happened. So when I was also not there, our team was there. They immediately rushed to spot, and then ambulance was provided. Doctor was there, but I think that was not alive, or that doctor said it was there. And then the truck driver also fled after park the truck in the parking, and then he fled. So at that time nobody was also not aware. So when they came, so then slowly that people also gathered what happened, and then that deputy headman of the village came along with the people, and then they tried to their family member will come, and then they took the body to the hospital, and then police also reached before time. They were also there. So after that, I think some miscreant or some nuisance people, they came, and then they tried to divert the issue from this to another matter, and then they're taking advantage of the situation, and then they try to in number of people they gathered, and then they try to hit the trucks at the parking, and then started breaking the glass, and then burning the trucks, and then one by one, and then they made some fierce psycho in the plant. They destroyed the office, that transport office also they disturbed, and then the plant office also they have disturbed. So they created fierce psycho for 2-3 hours in the plant. So that all the whatever detail was required by the police, we have provided them, and then accordingly that as per requirement, then whatever thing is there, police is taking care as per normal course of action, as per law they will deal. So that's a matter. Number of computer system that damaged the chairs, office chairs, and then all room is computers are destroyed, cameras are destroyed, and phone were there. All things are in so all whatever we have CCTV footage, the police has checked yesterday night, and they have taken all the footage as per their investigation required. In yesterday incident, around 16 trucks are, I think 15 to 16 are burned, and then some are little bit damaged, some are badly damaged. So I think 10-11 are around some damage, and then 10 more might be little bit damaged. So total damage is around 25, I think 24, 25. The number is yet to receive.